Hello and welcome to our video on the basic rules of investing. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. However, it can also be risky and confusing, especially if you're new to it. In this video, we'll cover the essential rules of investing that every beginner should know. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets, these rules will help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. So, let's get started. Rule 1. Set your investment goals. The first rule of investing is to set your investment goals. Before you start investing, you need to know why you're investing and what you hope to achieve. Are you looking to build wealth over the long term? Are you saving for a specific goal, such as retirement or buying a home? Or do you want to generate income from your investments? Once you have a clear understanding of your investment goals, you can start to develop a strategy that aligns with those goals. Rule 2. Diversify your portfolio. The second rule of investing is to diversify your portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across a range of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to reduce your overall risk and protect your portfolio from market volatility. By diversifying, you can also take advantage of different investment opportunities and potentially increase your returns. Rule 3. Understand your risk tolerance. The third rule of investing is to understand your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance refers to your ability and willingness to tolerate risk in your investments. Some people are more risk-averse and prefer low-risk investments, while others are willing to take on more risk in the hope of higher returns. It's important to know where you fall on the risk spectrum and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance. Rule 4. Do your research. The fourth rule of investing is to do your research. Before you invest in any asset, you should take the time to research it thoroughly. This includes understanding the underlying fundamentals of the asset, such as its financial performance, management team, and market trends. You should also research the risks associated with the asset and evaluate whether it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Rule 5. Invest for the long term. The fifth rule of investing is to invest for the long term. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's important to have a long-term perspective when making investment decisions. By investing for the long term, you can benefit from the power of compounding, which means that your returns will generate more returns over time. This can help you achieve your investment goals and grow your wealth over the long term. Rule 6. Don't try to time the market. The sixth rule of investing is to not try to time the market. Timing the market means trying to buy and sell assets at the right time based on predictions of market trends and future performance. However, this is extremely difficult to do consistently and accurately. In fact, trying to time the market can often lead to missed opportunities and higher transaction costs. Instead, it's better to adopt a long-term investment strategy and focus on asset allocation and diversification. Rule 7. Keep your emotions in check. The seventh rule of investing is to keep your emotions in check. Investing can be an emotional roller coaster, and it's easy to get caught up in the ups and downs of the market. However, making decisions based on fear, greed, or other emotions can lead to irrational and costly investment decisions. It's important to stay disciplined, patient, and focused on your investment goals, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Rule 8. Keep track of your portfolio. The eighth rule of investing is to keep track of your portfolio. Once you've established your investment strategy and started building your portfolio, it's important to regularly monitor and review it to ensure that it's still aligned with your goals and preferences. This means checking the performance of your investments, rebalancing your portfolio if necessary, and making adjustments as your financial situation and goals change over time. By staying on top of your portfolio, you can maximize your returns, minimize your risk, and stay on track to achieve your investment goals. By setting your investment goals, diversifying your portfolio, understanding your risk tolerance, doing your research, and investing for the long term, you can build a solid investment strategy that aligns with your needs and preferences. Of course, investing can still be complex and challenging, and there is always a risk of losing money. By following these 8 rules of investing, you can build a strong and effective investment strategy that aligns with your needs and preferences. These rules include setting your investment goals, diversifying your portfolio, understanding your risk tolerance, doing your research, investing for the long term, not trying to time the market, keeping your emotions in check, and keeping track of your portfolio. Of course, investing is never a guaranteed path to wealth, and there is always risk involved. However, by following these basic rules and working with a trusted financial advisor, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.